welcome to Mark's Remarks, and today we're going to be looking at the Morrisons Savers Milk Chocolate. There we are. It's 100 grams with a cost of 30p, which is pretty cheap by any standard. I mean, 30p for 100 grams. You got to wonder what it's going to taste like. Okay, well that's what my job is. So here we go. Gonna tell you what, the wrapping. The plastic actual wrapping is very thick. Christ almighty, it's really thick. Anyway, yeah, I smelt the chocolate bar, and it smells strong on the cocoa. Let me tell you, if it tastes as strong as it smells, I wish they wouldn't do that. You know, less cocoa, more milk makes for a good chocolate bar. Yeah. It's just come out of the fridge. It's been in the fridge for like a month, you know, since the last time I went to Morrisons. Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. As chocolate goes, I mean, it's edible, you know. But for me, it's kind of strong on the cocoa. Which is why, I mean, a bit of a shame, because I mean, if they put less cocoa in it, it's got to be cheaper for them. Put more milk powder in it, you know. It's got, I'll hold it up there. It's got sugar, cocoa mash, dried whole milk, cocoa butter, lecithin. Milk chocolate contains 14%. Minimum milk solids and 28% minimum cocoa solids. So 28%. I had a Mars bar around here the other day. It was that cocoa, it was that dark, it was that Mars bar where they added extra cocoa to the nougat and then extra cocoa to the toffee. That was just too much as well. If I still had the wrapper, I could have a look, see how it compares with the cocoa. But 28% cocoa mass, which is, I don't know what a usual chocolate bar is, but it's a bit much. You know, if you're going to make a cheap chocolate bar, you know, then reduce the cocoa mass on it. You know, I mean, that's got to be the most expensive thing in it. Yeah, I mean, it'll do you. I mean, you get a whole bar of chocolate for 30p. You know, if you like the stronger chocolate, you'll probably well like this. I don't know about dark chocolate. I don't really go for dark, but if you like a strong flavour milk, this might well suit you. But if you're a lover of really milky milk, whatever, milky milk, say Cadbury's Fruit and Nut, you know, basically Cadbury's chocolate bars, right? Or Galaxy, there's another one, that's the milkiest one going. If you're a fan of those, you probably, you know, this might be a little bit too strong. Although, I've eaten close to half the bar now. It's starting to not be as strong, but then that's what happens. I've noticed that with a lot of the foods that I've been eating, you know, for the site here. Even ones that you don't particularly like at first, after you've eaten half of it, your taste buds get acclimatized, which is what's happening here. I can still taste it's quite strong though, even though I've eaten half the bar. Yeah, it's a shame though, because if it wasn't so strong on the chocolate, yeah, I mean, even now I can taste the strong chocolate. If it wasn't so bloody strong on the chocolate, next time I'm down there, I'll buy half a dozen bars, you know, just have them in the fridge. You know, I don't often eat chocolate bars. But when I do, you know, it'd be you know, at 30p, it's half the size of a Mars bar, half the price of a Mars bar, rather, and twice as much in volume, you know. Yeah, but like I say, 30p, then it's not much to complain about, although I am, because that's my job. And then yeah, you know, but if you like a strong chocolate bar, go for it. If not, you're best off going for something else with a bit more milk in it. Okay, well there you have it. Morrisons Savers cheapest bar of chocolate they got in the shop, 30p. There you have it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. And if you feel like, if you want to help out the channel by passing on this or any other video that you like, maybe pass on. A few moments ago I did vodka with orange juice squeezed out of an orange. That was a bit of a novelty. Pass that on through Twitter and Facebook and whatever else you got. That would help out the channel. Anyway, okay, if you feel like doing that, that'd be great. Thank you. Thanks for watching now. Bye bye.